Yeah, guys. In previous, what we discussed, guys? So we discussed about the guys. What we discussed?
Yeah, how to upload the download the Terraform and then we started one small project like that we created in that. So
Installed.
We have
download.
installed one of the IDs.
Yes. Git bash. We installed the git bash. Then
VS Code.
installed the VS Code Visual Studio. What is that? VS means
Visual
Visual
Studio.
Studio. Visual Studio Code. VS2 Visual Studio Code. This is the software we installed and downloaded the Terraform binary file. Right? Nothing. No need to install the Terraform. No need to install the Terraform. Okay. Yeah. So once we downloaded, right? So created a folder in the C program files like Terraform underscore 1.9.6. I created it and copy the Terraform binary. Okay. So then set the environment variable. What is that, guys? Set the environment variable. Then what is the Terraform official
Registry dot
Terraform official website. Official website. What is that, guys? Registry
Registry.terraform.io.
dot
Terraform.io.
terraform.io. So in this, so we need to select the browse the provider. Browse the provider. Then select the
Ashika.
AWS provider. Okay. Then go to the documentation. What that, guys?
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, again your screen was stuck, I guess.
Stuck. Okay. So AWS provider. Click the
Yeah.
Provider, right? Click the documentation. Click the documentation. In the documentation, there are the resources. What are those, guys? The resources
Resource.
is IAM underscore instance. IAM underscore instance. Sorry. EC2 underscore
Instance.
EC2 underscore instance means
This is the server.
if you want to launch the EC2 instance through Terraform code, we need to use the resources. Right?
Yes.
Now you understood, right, guys? So what
Yeah.
are the Terraform commands? What are the Terraform commands, guys? Terraform
init.
init for initialization. For the initialization. Next, Terraform
Validate.
plan.
Plan.
Blueprint. It will not apply. So Terraform apply. Terraform apply is nothing but it will create, modify the infrastructure. Okay. Terraform
Destroy.
destroy. What is that, guys? Terraform destroy is nothing but it will terminate. It will terminate all the. It will terminate all the. It will terminate all the infrastructure. It will terminate in all the infrastructure. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. In Paint. So what is that? So we created a one file, right? So what that is file? What is the file name? My first ec2.tf, right? So everything will be created under this one file. Everything will be created under this one file, but we need to segregate so we need to segregate it. For example, AWS Terraform code, VS code. So this is the right, yeah. So my first is it instance. It will create the Terraform state. Terraform state is nothing but so it will create the lock. So something like so Abdul, you are trying to do the Terraform plan or Terraform init on the same stack. So then that time it will lock this stack. So no one cannot execute it at the same time. Okay. So again. So .terraform, it will create the providers. In the providers, there is the registrations. So there the version, right? A Terraform version, Ashikarp AWS Terraform version will be installed. The Terraform state file is not created because of that. So we have an issue, right? Let's see. Let's see. So we can run from here also. We can run from here also. So open in the integrated terminal. You see? So it will create it will open from here. Git bash. You can connect to the git bash and you can do the terraform init, terraform plan and terraform apply on the stack wherever you have. So so we can execute the command in the VS code itself, right? There is a terminal, you guys can use it. So right, what this is a PowerShell, right? So we need a git bash. Yeah, you see, you can open this git bash here also. Tulasi batch. So Terraform init. Yeah, Terraform initialization is done. So where we are stuck, we stuck in the AWS console, right?
We stuck in the apply part.
Apply. Mm.
Sir, I have a query here. Like,
Yeah, you can ask.
so, or suppose we are just using that the VS Code, like we are editing and we are managing the TF files, and
Ah,
we are checking the output in the below area,
yes.
the git bash area.
Git bash area.
And for suppose if we are provisioning, if we are like making a new instance
Mm.
and we are not logging into the main console, so will the Terraform file provision instance like without even login into this console?
Yeah, it will create, it will provide, right? Why do we need to track to your account, open billing, cost management, shit. One second, guys. Bhaskar, tell me your username and password. I can come here. It is asking password. No, cancel. Yeah, you are opening Google Play Store. So why do you need to open Google Play Store? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So let me create another IAM user, guys, because of you created, you have a test user, where I need to get the access key, secret key. Secret key will not get, right? You have, and send me. You have a group, Hari or Terraform, provide as a management console access. No. We'll create a group, one group, no worries, or attach policy. Administrator access, it will give everything. Like create a user, click here, open this, security, command line. Create access key. Yeah, this is the access key. Again, we need to do the Terraform init, guys. Yeah, we'll give you the AMI ID, which is EC2 Linux 2023, right? We need to take instances, launch instance. So this is the browse providers. First one, First we'll try with this. Okay, let's see if we are getting the same error. Yeah guys, I'm taking Amazon Linux 2. Okay, let's see having same issue. Terraform init.
I think it's T2 micro
T2 micro now. No
instance type.
worries, no worries, no
No worries.
worries.
No.
Or else we, we will take it as a T2 Terraform plan. Guys, it is showing if you use this right, it will up also. So what it is going, whatever the plus right, it will create. So Terraform plan is used to select the providers to generate the following execution plan. Resource action is needed, are indicated with the following symbols. It's creating. So what it creating? AWS underscore web. Name is web is creating. So web contains we provided the AMI, and what we provided the instant time. Everything is optional. Everything is optional. Okay, let's try to apply this. Let's try to apply. Yes. EC2 instance openation error instance run instance the response status 400 request bad ID API error invalid not found image ID does not exist with instance. Okay, let's try. We got the different error, right? What it I will take this image, guys. Again we need to do it Terraform apply directly without plan. Yes, I'm giving yes. Creating EC2 instance operation error run instances HTTP response error status code 400 request API error invalid AMI ID. The image is AMI ID does not exist.
సార్ ఇక్కడ నేమ్ దగ్గర మై ఫస్ట్ EC2.tf అని రావాలా ఏమైనా అక్కడ చూడండి ట్యాగ్స్ కింద మేబీ
Tags.
దానివల్ల నేమ్ దగ్గర
పర్లేదు ఏది ఇచ్చినా పర్లేదు అది.
okay.
US East 1 where we selected 1 second guys. I thought this is Mumbai region, right? Where we are trying to install. We are trying to install it on the US East North Virginia region. That is the culprit. Okay. Which region is selected? You see, it's creating. You see, apply completed, resource 1 added, 0 change, 0 destroyed. Okay. In the yes, it's created. What is the name of the server? My first
First
EC2,
EC2.
T2 micro. So still it is initializing. So where it created in the availability zone AP Southeast. So public IP, this is the public IP address, and monitoring disabled, security group disabled, location. The platform is Linux. Okay, if you select his, it will get the all the details. Right, now you can check the, yeah. So it's right, Terraform providers. This is the Terraform providers. So it installed. So V7561. Terraform is locked. Now my first EC2. So this is the my first EC2. Terraform state. What is this, guys? Terraform state is nothing but a Terraform state is nothing but whatever we created, right? So that will be written in the Terraform state file. That will be written in the Terraform state file. So whatever we
So
applied, right? This everything will be written under the Terraform state file, guys. So usually in the real time, all the Terraform state files will be copied under the S3 bucket. Guys, understood? Because of something like if something goes wrong or something like your stack is destroyed or your EC2 instance is destroyed with the help of Terraform state file we can so with the help of Terraform state file so we can create the same EC2 instance. Okay, guys,
yes, sir.
understood?
So
Downloads. Yeah,
so
Terraform
this,
state file will be stored under the most of the companies will be stored under the S3 bucket. Okay. 1 second,
okay.
I will show you. Yeah, you see, guys, something like what it create versions, variables, providers, main, and DNS. Okay. So the stack will be, I will show you later. 1 second. Hmm, Dev stack AWS. You see, versions, providers, main. Versions, providers, main. Or else I will show you. Terraform main, my EC2, main, no variables, nothing is there. Yeah. So you raised a hand,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
So can you just go to the VS Code page once, sir?
Yeah.
So on the left, we see this license like Terraform provider and .terraform lock. All these
Ah,
files are auto-generated, right, sir?
it auto generate. When we do the init, right, Terraform init,
Okay,
we'll
okay.
we'll tell you one thing. So we can remove this, delete. This one also we can delete. So this one also we can delete. This one also we can delete. Now nothing is there. We created just my first EC2.tf, right?
Yes,
Now I am trying to open
terminal.
open an integrated terminal. So it's in bash, bash we need git git terraform
Init.
init. So nothing is there. When you run the terraform init, it will install that
Files,
plugin.
C files and all the
Here,
files.
here, AWS plugin. AWS plugin, guys.
Again.
What is that? Tulsi batch. Yeah, this is the Tulsi batch, right? Nothing is there.
So yes, while this refresh. So my question previously, what I asked earlier was,
Hmm.
even if like if the console is not logged in
Hmm.
and we have the access key and secret key and we are trying to run the this Terraform file,
Hmm.
will it create a EC2 instance in the backend even without logging into the
Yes,
AWS
yes,
console?
yes, yes, yes. Why do we need to log into AWS console?
Just to
How you
get
are
the access key
authenticating?
and
How you
secret
are
key.
authenticating? Yeah, how you are authenticating?
Using these two, the access key.
These two only.
Yeah.
Why
So
we are authenticate purpose for the AMI only. If
AMI
you
here.
don't use the AMI, right, it will take automatically the default AMI. I will show you that thing also. Okay.
So that is what I wanted to ask. Like in the back end, it
How
will
we
do
can
the job.
authenticate with the AWS?
Okay.
So I already told you, right, guys?
Yeah, the file is created now. Yes.
File is created, right? Let's show you something. Where is that? Hey, where is my PPT? Yeah, launching first EC2 instance via Terraform. What you need? So when you want to launch a resource in the AWS, there are three important considerations. One is how will you authenticate to AWS? How will you authenticate to AWS? How will you authenticate to AWS? By
Using
using
the access and the
access
secret.
key, secret key. Do we need to log into the console?
No.
No need, right? Yeah. So which region the resources want to need the which region the resources need to be launched?
Uh,
AP South 1. Right. Which resources you want to launch? So where you want to launch? Which resources you want to launch?
okay.
Okay, understood.
Right. Yes, sir.
Yes, right. No need to authenticate console.
Mm-hmm.
So I already told you, right? We can connect via two types. One is console access. Other one is CLA access.
Yeah, right.
Understood? I gave
Right.
a task to you guys how to connect with the AWS CLI.
Yes, sir.
So did you done that one?
Yes, sir. I did, but my account is suspended again, so I have to start use a new card. So
Hmm.
what I did was I connected it with the PowerShell.
Yeah, you can
Downloaded.
also connect with the PowerShell.
So I've downloaded
But
the AWS CLI.
uh, the
Then
access key secret key, you can use the access key
yep.
secret key in the
Same steps.
same steps. So same steps we can provide in the PowerShell also. Okay. In the real time, so something like AWS config file. You see right here. So in the AWS config file is a crucial component in the configuration in the AWS command line interface. It stores information like about the default region, output format, credential profile for the seamless interaction with the AWS services. So that is typically located under the the dot AWS under the credentials. Understood? So this is the one. So default region, output JSON, region US east output. So yeah, we can provide the credentials in the access key, secret key also, or we can provide. So we can provide the different way also. Okay. Mm, Terraform registry.terraform.io, right? Browse the providers. Documentation. Yeah, AWS provider. Use the Amazon Web Services provider to interact with the many resources supported by AWS. You must configure the provider with proper credentials before you can use it. So the navigation from left to right. So this is the provider. This is the provider you can use it. Or from Terraform 0.12 and late earlier we can use this way. Okay, now we can use this way. Now you can use authentication and configuration. The configuration of AWS provider can be derived from several resources which are applied in the following order. Parameter in the provider configuration, parameters in the provider configurations. Environment variable, you can set the environment variable, shared credential files, shared configuration files, and container credentials, and instance profile credentials and region. So something like, so this is the one way credential can be provided by using the access key and secret key. The other way is you can use the access key secret key in the PowerShell export key, whatever what you used. Abdul. Right, so we can set the AWS profile, config file, and shared credentials. So AWS config file is nothing but this is so provider shared config file and shared credentials and profile. Okay, or else something like someone. So in mine we are using something like a provider that assume rel layer and session name, external ID. So we are providing. So we are providing this way. Okay. Now you understood, right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now I am taking. Now I am creating another EC2 instance. I'm creating another EC2 instance without AMI. I'm creating another EC2 instance without. So the name is Web2. My first EC2 name also we are creating Web2. So Web2, right? So I'm removing the AMI and the instance types. I'm removing everything. File, save. Terraform init, nothing to worry about. We already did this, right? Just I'm using the Terraform plan and Terraform apply. What is that, guys? Missing required admins with AWS instance Web2 on my first EC2.tf line 15. Resource AWS instance Web2. The resource AWS instance Web2. AMI, one of the AMI launch template must be specified. AMI must be specified. Why? So before we did not specify, right? Instance type launch template must be specified. Instance type and AMI. Maybe that is the reason. Let's try to. Yeah, it is creating a. So it is creating the another instance. It is creating the another instance, guys. Still it is creating. AWS instance Web2 is creating. Instance still creating. Yeah. Apply complete. Resources to added. 0 to change it. 0 to destroy. So how many instance added, guys? 2 instances. right? So it's created again. It's created again because of Terraform state. So that is the because of Terraform state. If you have the Terraform state, it will not create the, it will not create again. It will not create again. I will show you guys. Mm. I'm trying to create another one. This is Web3 and the type also Web3. File, save, file, save, next, Terraform apply. Okay, guys, I'm creating. Yeah, you see now it's only one created, but before it created two, right? Because of we removed the Terraform state file. So it will verify the Terraform state file. So it's already created the environment, right? So the only one environment need to create. That's the reason it created in one. If you delete this, right, it will automatically create again two, right? Yeah. So when I do the Terraform destroy, what is that, guys? Terraform destroy. So Terraform has no command. Terraform destroy. Terraform destroy. To see the Terraform top level. Hey, what is this? Terraform destroy. Yeah, you see, guys. So it will destroy everything. You see, guys. So everything is minus. Minus means destroy. This will destroy. This will destroy. This will destroy. So what is the option, guys? The option is destroying. So if you press the yes, it will destroy everything. It will destroy everything. The task is, guys, what is the task? If I destroy the Terraform stack, for example, so that my first EC2 is nothing but a Terraform stack. So it will destroy, it will destroy everything, right? It will destroy everything. I don't want to destroy all the EC2 instances. So need to destroy only Web3, Web3 instance. How we can, how we can do it? So this is the task for you guys. Okay, copy, paste. Guys, understood? So if I destroy, right, if you execute the destroy command, it will destroy everything. It will destroy everything. But I don't want to destroy all. So I want to destroy, I want to destroy only one particular instance. So here you see, right? So here how many we have? My test. So I have 3 instances, but I don't want to delete these 2 instances. I want to delete only web3 instances. How we can do it? How we can do it, guys? Okay, understood?
Yes.
If I execute the destroy, it will destroy everything, all these 3 resources, right, Abdul? I
Yes.
don't want to destroy all these 3 resources. I want to destroy only this particular
Web3.
resources. How we can do it?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, guys. We'll continue from tomorrow, means Monday. Okay. If anyone come tomorrow, you guys can come. I will be there in the institute only. Either weekdays also, I will be available in the institute only.
Okay, sir.
Yep. Thank you, guys. Tulsi, I think in the slept. Okay,
Yeah,
guys. Yeah.
yeah, thank you.
I will
Thank you.
upload all the recordings today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.